Listen to the sounds of the wild, the songs, cries and calls that animals use to communicate, attract mates and mark their territories. Tune your ears to the rich auditory landscape of the natural world. Hear the howls of coyotes in the desert night, yipping and yodeling to rally the pack before a hunt. Listen for the hollow booming of male frogs, their bass chorus rising from ponds in springtime in a collective attempt to woo passing females. Above the treetops, mewing hawks circle on the thermals, their piercing cries announcing their dominance of the sky. Travel to the African savanna and listen to the rumbling roars of lion prides, shaking the night air as they warn off would-be intruders. Join the dawn chorus as birds of every variety, warblers, orioles, thrushes and larks, fill the air with trembling song, each voice vying to attract a mate and defend a patch of ground. Head underwater to hear the haunting melodies of whales, singing as they migrate across oceans. Join the high trills and twittering clicks of dolphins as they socialize and forage for food. Then let the sounds of the sea wash over you like music played by hidden creatures of the deep. As you listen to the sounds of the wild, remember that these vocalizations are much more than noise. They speak of survival and success, of defending territory and provisioning young. But they also speak of joy, the joy of communicating one's presence to the world, of connecting with others of one's kind, of filling the air with song for song's own sake. In animal vocalizations, we hear the voices of beings fully alive, expressing the fullness of life in all its variety, complexity, and beauty.